Please, my Lord, can say us that the previous witness
As it witnessing.
I thought maybe someone wants to say something on the left-hand side. The state requests that the previous witness, Constable Butelezi, be recalled. It should just be us. Constable Butelezi.
Why is he in the court?
To testify about the cell phone that was found in possession of accused number 3.
No application.
After number 1, I'm sorry, this relates to Exhibit Chapter C in bracket 1.
My Lord, there was no application brought for this. There was no application brought for this witness.
But I'm just asking why did the witness report and say that we about the phone, the telephone was found, you say you can use number 1.
Yes, with respect to that.
You say you haven't made an application.
I'm not aware of any law that says when a witness is testified in a trial within a trial and he comes to testify in the main trial that there has to be a special application. We know that
No.
the trial within a trial is compartmentalized from the main trial, and the evidence that was adduced in the trial within a trial does not automatically get injected in the main trial. The witnesses have got to come and testify, and this is precisely what the state is doing now, for the witness to come and testify on the merits. He hasn't testified on the merits. He testified only in the trial within a trial.
Yes,
No, I concede, my Lord.
Swear the witness in. We swear the witness in.
Ngisho amagama akho wonke nesibongo
Ujabulani Dominic Butelezi.
uzoba nenkinga ngithatha isifungo sokukhuluma iqiniso.
Cha, angeke.
No objection to taking the prescribed oath, my Lord. Uyazi yini ukuthi uma uthathe leso sifungo kusho ukuthi kukwaphelezela kunembeza wakho ukuthi ukhulume iqiniso kuphela?
Yes.
I accept that taking the oath in will be binding on my conscience. Manje uma ukuthi uzokhuluma iqiniso kuyiqiniso kuphela kungekho okunye ngaphandle kweqiniso phakathi isandla sakho ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusize.
uNkulunkulu amsize.
So sworn, my Lord.
Yes.
Constable Butelezi, you have already testified in the trial within a trial in this matter, correct?
Ngelosuke walesifakazi kuthiwa within a trial lolu daba.
Kuyiqiniso.
That is correct.
Do you confirm the evidence that you gave in the trial within a trial?
Uyalithetha isiqiniseko ngalobufakazi umlethile ku-trial within a trial.
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Just by way of background, you testified that on the 30th of May, 2020, you were on duty.
Uthe ngomhla 30 kuMeyi 2020 wasemsebenzini.
Kuyiqiniso.
That is correct.
Can you just briefly sketch the background of what happened on the day
Akusichazele kabanzanga ukuthi kwenzekani ngalelo suku
pertaining to the arrest of the relevant accused?
sikhuluma-ke mhlawumbe siqondise lapha ekuboshweni kukamsolwa othintekayo.
Bengisemsebenzini ngisebenza noConstable Sadiki.
I was at work. I was working together with Constable Sadiki.
Just place the date again on record.
Ngosuku kwakuyini?
Ngokuyi-30 zakaMeyi 2020.
It was on the 30th of May 2020.
Isikhathi
Ngixolisa.
Apologies, my lord.
Ngixolisa.
That's your wife.
Unkosikazi. Ngixolisa.
Your wife's phone.
Besisiza uConstable Sergeant Mukhoro.
We're assisting Sergeant Mufolo.
Ngejele Mkhula
It is Sergeant Mufula.
Nge-warrant of arrest eyaphuma in a form of J50.
It was in connection with the warrant of arrest which was issued as a J50.
Ibine case number 217 of 3/2019.
It is a case number of 217 of 3 of 2019.
Sisebenzela eThembisa.
We were working in the area of Tembisa.
Kwakuthunyelwe amankentshana okufuna umfolo bekafuneka. Sources.
There were people, sources on the ground that had been sent to assist in finding the person that we were looking for.
And who was this person that you were looking for?
Sasifuna umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiya.
We were looking for Musical Kolera Sibiya.
And who's he?
Umangalelwa wokuqala kule nkantolo eBandolo.
He's the first accused number 1 in this court.
Yes.
Umuzi kakhulelwa ke wasebonakala kumuzi thizeni. Igama lomgwaqo angilelazi.
Musical was noticed at a certain house. I'm unable to recall the name of the street.
Just refer to him as accused number 1.
Umsola wokuqala. La abonakala khona besinikwe ihlobo lempahla ebeyigqokile ngalelo langa.
Where he was seen, we had been given a description of the clothes that he had been wearing on that day.
Ngoba ube mena abanye abalisa ababili.
He was standing with 2 other gentlemen.
Yes, what time was it?
Oh, is Kassim?
1:30, around 1:30. Emini.
It was 1:30 in the afternoon.
You mentioned Constable Sadiki and Makola. Who else was there in your company?
When you tell Constable Sadiki no Mukula,
Kwakuyimina noSadiki sincedisa uConstable and Sergeant Mkhulu.
it was me and Sadiki assisting Sergeant Mukula.
Was it only the 3 of you?
But we never know what to pair.
Kunjani?
That is correct.
Yes, you may proceed.
Kubeka.
Sathi ke mase sifika la silayelwe khona ukuthi umsolo wokuqala ukuphi.
On our arrival at the place that we had been informed about regarding the whereabouts of accused number 1,
Salalisa ke bonke phansi.
we instructed everybody there to lie down.
So where did you find them?
Nabatholaphi?
Phakathi kwenye indlu bame ngaphandle kwejaledi elingabiyelwanga la ngaphambili.
They were in a certain yard which did not have a fence in the front.
Yes.
Umangalelwa ke wokuqala ubeyeme ngobonda oluhlukanisa izindlu ezimbili.
Accused number 1 was leaning against a wall which was separating 2 yards.
Yes.
Sase sibalalisa ke sibabuza amagama abo.
We then instructed them to lie down and we asked them for their names.
Yes.
Yize besazi ukuthi sifuna bani naye wazisho ukuthi uyena lo sinifunayo.
Even though we knew who exactly it was that we were looking for, he himself told us his own name.
Sithe ozankosi sesibafakile kuyena siqedile nokuba khuthuza kwazise ukuthi ummangalelwa wokuqala ubephethe uhlobo locingo umakhalekhukhwini ababili.
After we had handcuffed them and after we had searched them, we came to find that the accused number one had 2 cell phones on his person.
Yes, where in his person?
Ubefake ibhulukwe elalilight blue kwisandla sokudla sama-cellphone.
The cell phones were in his pocket, in his light blue trouser, on the right side.
And who found the cell phone?
Mina Tolula.
It was I personally.
Yes.
Kwasise ukuthi laba ababili bebengabalulekile kuthina ngase ngimfuna umazisi wakhe.
Since the other 2 were not important to us, we then asked accused number 1 for his ID.
Ubengayiphethe-ke sasesibiza-ke umseshi umphenyi uSergeant Mkhula wanikezwa abomakhalekhukhwini lapho.
Well, he did not have his ID on himself. We then called Sergeant Mkhula, and these 2 cell phones were handed over to Sergeant Mkhula.
Whether ephethe iplastic thizeni elibizwa nge-evidence bag.
Then
uSergeant Mkhula.
Sergeant Mkhula came having a certain plastic which is called an evidence bag.
Where did she get the evidence bag?
Why is that having the evidence bag?
Ngathi uhleza nawe emotweni.
Apparently she keeps one in the car.
Okay, at what stage did you go to collect or to fetch the evidence bag?
Ngimangumcela ngimazisa ukuthi kutholakala umakhalekhukhwini.
On being informed that 2 cell phones had been found
Khona la sasime khona.
right where we were standing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wase ewafaka phakathi kwaleyo evidence bag.
She then placed those 2 phones in that evidence bag.
Phambi kwami naphambi kommangalelwa.
This was done in my presence and in the presence of the accused.
Ase ayavalwa-ke.
Then the evidence bags were sealed.
How many evidence bags were there?
Iyodwa.
No, it was only 1, sorry.
Yes.
Sase siqhubeka-ke nommangalelwa-ke ukuya la ehlala khona ayethe umazisi khona.
We then proceeded to where the accused number 1 stayed and where he claimed that the ID book was located.
And where is this place?
Bude buduze nala besikhona because sihamba ngenyawo.
It wasn't very far from where we were because we just walked on foot.
Yes, you explain in detail in your previous evidence as to what happened when you got to that place.
Kuyiqiniso.
It is correct.
Were you able to notice the make of the cell phones, or can you describe the two cell phones?
wabona yini ukuthi hlobo nama-cellphone lawa amagama awo noma ungakwazi ukuwachaza?
umqondo wami uma ungikhumbuza kahle ngathi kwakuyi-Samsung yayi-silver grey yini Grand Prime uma ngingaphosisi.
It was one of them, if I'm not mistaken, was a silver Samsung, which I
Grand Prime, if you are
Grey Prime.
Grand Prime.
The model was Grand Prime.
Bese lenenye imnyama ibingenagama.
Well, the other one was a black handset which did not have a brand name.
Now, you say Surgeon Mohola placed the two cell phones in the evidence bag and sealed the bag in your presence.
Uteke uSurgeon Mohola wafaka lama mabili ku-evidence bag wayese eyayivala.
Kunjalo.
This is correct.
And what happened to the two cell phones thereafter?
Kwasebenzekani-ke ngalama-cellphone amabili emva kwalokho?
Hayi ngagcina nginikeze uSurgeon Mohola angizange salala.
Well, I only went as far as handing the phones to Sergeant Mohola. I had nothing to do with those cell phones afterwards.
Do you perhaps remember the serial number of the evidence bag?
Uyakwazi yini ukukhumbula mhlawumbe i-serial number yale evidence bag?
Enkosi yankantolo esesibhedlela isikhathi ziningi nje ophisa mntini.
My Lord, it has been quite some time, and there are many of these things. So it starts with a P and some other numbers.
Would you like to refresh your memory
Ungakwazi yini
on the
ukusikhumbuza
SAP patient register?
ngaleyo SAP 13?
Ngingakujabulela lokho.
I would appreciate that.
I just want to show exhibit triple C in brackets 1.
Ukukhombisa isikhombisa C1.
Will you be able to recognize the serial number when you see it?
Ungakwazi yini ukuyibona ukuthi iyona i-serial number
Yes,
ebag?
yebo
That
impela.
is correct.
Yes, are you able to recognize the
I-serial number yebag ithi PA5001
The serial number was PA5001
8069
8069
86.
86.
And do you perhaps know what Surgeon Mohola did with those with the evidence containing the two cell phones?
Mhlawumbe uyazi yini ukuthi uSurgeon Mohola wenzani ngalesi sikhombisa sinalama-cellphone amabili?
Cha.
No, I have no knowledge.
Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, my lord.